Emily Jones, The Societal Life of Dolphins. In this speech, I will go over the life of dolphins, specifically how they communicate, their relationships with one another, and their similarities to humans. Communication. 3 forms of communication that dolphins use are whistles, echolocation, and body contact. The most common is echolocation. Echolocation is when an animal uses clicks or different sounds to determine what's around them. So say a dolphin is swimming in a pond, they can use their echolocation to see if they're coming up on something that they don't want to be around. In the Plosh Journal on Dolphin Behavior, it states that echoes are common in many different species, such as bats. So you could see how a bat having bad eyesight, being in a cave, could use echolocation to see where the walls are so they don't run into anything or they know where to be. Another form is body contact. Body contact is good for when they want to create a bond or have a relationship. It can also show that they want to be playful or make a friend. Dolphins love very deeply in their relationships, and this can be one of the many things we love about them. Relationships and pods. So, dolphins stay in pods, much like herds. They come in a variety of different pods. So there can be mother pods, youth pods, and male pods. This can go about different ways. A youth pod, say a young female gets pregnant. That female will go on to the mother pod so the mothers can take care of her. And when a young male gets older, it will go on to the male pods. These pods can also be mixed depending on situations such as family, friends, or dolphins they've been around. Dolphins, unlike humans, do not categorize themselves. They're not separated. A dolphin can go to any pod and feel comfortable and at home. They do not fight. They all get along, so they can go wherever they want and feel like family. In the National Geographic documentary of Ocean Voyager, the narrator says a mother will stay with its baby its whole life. That's not always the case, considering a male wants to leave its mother after 6 to 8 years. But with females, they want to stay with their mothers and they want to be in the mother group that their mothers are in. Dolphins are very similar to humans in many ways. Dolphins have big hearts, just like humans. Some of the common traits that dolphins have to humans are the way they communicate and their emotional connection and body contact. Dolphins get very emotionally connected. And just like humans, a dolphin recognizes other dolphins. So, a dolphin knows, this is my family, or this is a dolphin I've been in a pod with before, just like a human would do. A human would meet somebody, say you meet a friend, and you don't talk for a while, and then a few years down the road, you meet them again. This shows the similarities in humans. They don't forget the dolphins they've been around, just like people don't forget the people they've been around. According to the Dolphin World website on dolphin social structure, dolphins are highly sociable mammals that establish close links with other individuals of the same species and different species. Humans also do this. We make connections with each other and with other things, such as our animals and our pets. After talking about the life of dolphins and the way they communicate, their relationships and similarities to humans, it is easy to say that they are very lovable creatures and they are very interesting to learn about. Dolphins are beautiful and bring a lot of life into the ocean. There is so much more to learn about them. I hope you further your research in dolphins because there's so much more to learn.